What's good, hashtag no mafia? It's your girl Patricia, back again with another video for you guys today. And in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be attempting to put on my own wig. Like, hello sis, as you can tell, the wig is like, this is the wig. This is the wig right here. So if you want to see how I was able to pull it off, how I did it all by myself, period. I mean, it looks okay. Like, let me tell you now, it doesn't look the best. Like, this is it. If you guys want to see how I did it, you guys can continue watching this video of me attempting to apply my own wig for the very first time. With literally freaking help from no hairstylist, only YouTube tutorials that I watched the night before. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I applied my own wig for the very first time, once again I want to say that I am not a professional. So if you are a professional watching this, or if you're just a girl or a boy who knows how to apply wigs very well, flawlessly, please do not get upset at me, because this was my first time, as you can tell by the title. So I don't want to see nobody like, oh, she did this, she did that. Like, first time in the title. Like, practice makes perfect, baby. Okay, and this video is sponsored by Hairvivi. I will leave all information to this hair down below in the description box. This is a 18-inch wig. It has transparent lace, it has a bowl cap installed, it is pre-plucked, pre-bleached knots. So that's why it was like kind of so easy for me to apply it, like, because everything was already done. If you enjoy this video, definitely be sure to leave a like, and if you are new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button before leaving to join the hashtag no mafia, no mafia period, because your girl has been slacking, but she's coming back with a whole bunch of YouTube videos for you guys, period. I do have a glow up transformation for back to school. If you guys want to see that video, you gotta like this video if you want to see that video. So yeah, if you were born naked, like this video. If you were born naked, like this video. If you're a human, like this video. If you're alive and breathing, like this video. Amen, period. Okay, and yeah, comment down below if you are, and definitely be sure to comment how you think I did. And I don't want to keep this intro too long, but follow me on all my social medias. They will be linked down below in the description box. This wig has me feeling myself. It's from Hairvivi. I'll have some information later on in the video on it. Links are in the description box. It is 18 inches, but this wig is freaking popping, so enjoy the video. So Hairvivi was nice enough to send me this bomb ass wig in this cute ass packaging, and it had like a little ribbon tied over it. Time to open the box. And this is like the best packaging I ever received from a company or a hair company. It came like a shoe box, and it was super cute. It comes in like this elegant black box. So once you open it up, you have the freaking, I'm dropping stuff. You have the wig, and she's super cute. She is popping. This is like one of the best hairs I've ever received. It's a little messy because I was putting it on, like trying it on. It has a transparent lace, and it has a pre-plucked hairline. It has pre-bleached knots. Like, they've already plucked the hairline. Like, there's nothing that you need to do to this wig. All you gotta do is pop on the wig, period. It came with this comb. This would be good for like when I flat iron the hair, but the comb was in the packaging. I took it out. And here they have this little thing where it says literally, the hairline of the wig is pre-plucked, knots are pre-bleached, and elastic band is pre-sewed, which requires no customization, no wig cap underneath. I'm still gonna wear a wig cap just to protect my cornrows. They're literally not lying. Like, this is the build of the wig. It has a freaking bald cap built in. It has the elastic band. This is pre-plucked. Everything is pre-plucked. Like, literally all you have to do is pop it on. Like, I'm gonna show you guys. Great. So I'm just gonna take my wig cap. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna do the that little ball cap method, even though it has one, because I just wanna protect my freaking my edges. Okay, this is how right now. Okay, now it's time to put on this motherfucking wig. Period. Like, let me show you guys. It's not on right. Give me a few minutes to get it all together and shit, but okay, now I'm gonna cut the lace, but wish me luck because I don't want to mess up this wig. Okay, so I cut the lace, but here's the thing. Like, my edges stick out right there, so like I don't know if I did something wrong, but I feel like this shit looks kind of wiggy just because I don't have no baby hairs. I'm gonna try to do baby hairs. I don't know. I don't know how these go.
Got time, just relax your mind. Now you wanted something like I wasn't good enough for you. Took my feelings and just threw them out the window.
Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me attempting to apply my own wig for the very first time, literally without no help, for the very first time, me applying my own wig. Like, I think I did a pretty okay job. I'm not gonna say I did the best job because then again, this wig came pre-plucked, pre-bleached knots. It has a bald cap inside, so like I really had no work to do but to cut the lace and like try to lay the baby hairs, and I think I did a pretty okay job with that. And yeah, the hair is very soft. Links will be in the description box where I got this wig. It is very popping. The hair is very soft, so definitely go check out Hairvivi. Their links will be down in the description box. Go copy a wig, period. Like, period. But yeah, this wig is like really cute. It's really soft. It's good quality. I have nothing bad to say, but it does have like a little bit of shedding. I don't know if that's on my part or like if that's how the wig came, but I think I did a pretty okay job. Like this video if you think I did a good job or an okay job. If you think I did a bad job, still give this video a big thumbs up for like, comment, share, and subscribe to join the hashtag #NoMafia period. See more videos like this, definitely let me know. And if you guys want to see that little glow up transformation for back to school, y'all gotta give this video a big thumbs up, period. And you gotta subscribe to join the hashtag #NoMafia period. I can't tell, but follow me on all my social medias. They will be linked down below, period. And I'll see you kitties next video. Bye.